What if I told you your dream of learning the violin could be absolutely free? After over 30 years of teaching violin, it's time to give back to the community, to make the joy of music accessible to everyone, everywhere. While traditional lessons can cost thousands a year, my online membership program is a fraction of that. And through a simple referral system, your annual membership can be completely free. That's my commitment to you. Whether you're a child, an adult, or enjoying retirement, if you have internet access, you can start this learning journey with me. No experience needed. Lessons start at the first week of every month. Register your interest at violinmasteryonline.com or submit your details below to get all the information and begin your musical story. I can't wait to guide you.